Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about charts. So here I am having the list of name of the students and their marks. If I have to show the same in the form of chart, it is very easy. You just need to select this data for which you have to prepare a chart. Then go to the chart section and you select a particular chart. Here you can change the different styles for that particular chart. You can see easily that you can change it. If you want to change the colors, you can change the colors of the same. But if you want that your chart should have a pie form, then you can easily create the pie chart for the same. You can create a filter. Say for example, you don't want the marks of Ram, then do this and it will be changed. You can see that 98 marks of Ram are not represented. This is 98, but this is for Rahul. See, the yellow color is for Rahul only. If I click it over here, again I select apply, then again the marks of Ram is being reflected over here and then click apply. Right? If you again want to look the same, okay, I haven't selected the chart, so it is giving me an error. I go to recommended chart. If I want to again shift to the bar chart, I will shift to the bar chart. Right? Now, in this case, if you want to change the orientation, you can also change the orientation for the same. If you want to make axis or y-axis, you want to shift the same, you can see. This is a fill. You can fill these bar graphs with the different numbers. There are so many options which the Excel is providing for your chart that you can use over here. This is the series marks. If you want to make other chart title, okay, fine. I would like to give the chart title. These are the marks of section A, right? If I want to say, the title should be marks of section A, right? It has been changed. If you want to create a line chart, again select your chart should be selected, right? If you want to make some changes, your chart recommended chart will provide you that what chart could be prepared with the given data. If you want to create this bar chart, this could be created with the help of the same, right? Again select the chart, go to insert and then go to chart and then change whatever the things you want to change. So this is the very simple and interactive way to make a chart in the Excel.